Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fresh and healthy. So, dear children, I welcome to the fresh morning with a smile on your face, love in your heart, good thoughts in your mind. Have a wonderful day, dear children. Good morning once again. Now, dear children, I again welcome you all in your computer class. Today we will be learning some fun exercise. So get ready for it. Today, do you know what we are going to start? She is my friend. Her name is Ria. She wants to design a birthday card for her friend Minnie. Minnie has his birthday tomorrow. So she's thinking in what manner I should design her birthday card. So dear children, can you help her? Yes, definitely we all together will help her in her task for making birthday card. She just got an idea that I should design with the colors and I will make a creative card. So she got ready with the color board and colors and she started painting something. Then suddenly, when she was painting, she thought in her mind, it's not looking good. I should try something else. Everybody might be giving her the created card by the hands. I should try something new. So for that, she just thought, what should I do? How should I make? Then she got an idea in her mind. Yes, I will be doing this with the colors, but they will not be the real colors. I will be doing this using the computer, as her teacher has taught her how can she design a card using a computer program. So she just thought in her mind, yes, now I will make the birthday card of my friend Minnie using the computer program. So dear children, do you know which computer program she is going to use for it? Let us have a look. She is going to make this using MS Paint. Yes. So dear children, today we are going to start with the lesson 5, chapter 5, MS Paint. MS Paint is an application software which is used to make colorful paintings. You may design any colorful picture using it. So get ready to learn MS Paint. It is a colorful application software or program which helps you to design birthday cards, invitations or any drawing like any scenery, sun, moon, flower pot. These all you can design using MS Paint. There are different colors to that you can feel the color in your drawing designed. So now Ria is ready to make the birthday card using the program called Paint. Do you know how does it looks like? Its icon looks like this picture. See, I am showing you the icon of Paint picture. Then, do you know about the Paint is an application program? Yes, all the programs who allows you to make something specific or who allows you or who helps you to perform any specific task, we can do or we call it application program. So Paint is an application program. Using that you can design any drawing or you can make any picture. Then what is it used for? How it is used for? So simply it is used to make the different pictures. So Paint is an application program who will allow you to create the design picture. You can make any picture using it. You may color in it. Now dear children, do you know Paint is the program of which company? Have you heard of the company Microsoft? Yes, the logo of Microsoft looks like this. Microsoft is an technology company that developed this application. So who has developed MS Paint? Microsoft company has developed MS Paint. You know, the logo of Paint looks like what? So yes, it looks like this picture. Look it over here. There is a colorful tray and also the brush upon it. Also it is an application software. Now Ria started thinking how can she open MS Paint in the computer system. So here we go. Here we learn steps to open MS Paint or Paint as it is designed by Microsoft. So here we wrote the name MS, Microsoft Paint. Okay, so what are the steps for it? Steps to open MS Paints are, it is given in your book also, dear children, page number 46 by the name Starting Paint. So we have 4 steps in it. Number 1 step is click on search box on the task bar. Click on search box on the task bar. I'll show you after all the 4 steps step by step in the laptop as well, so that you may practice at your home. So number 1 step is click on search box on the task bar. Where it is located, the task bar? Look at the below. For that I need to minimize the screen of the slideshow. So I am doing that and then I'll show you where is the task bar. This window, right now I am rotating my mouse pointer. Here is written type here to search. This full window we call it task bar. It shows you the current programs where you are working. Also the many time used programs here it shows, and in the right corner it shows you the current date and time. So every task you perform will be displayed in the task bar. Also here is a search button. Using that you may search anything. So this is how task bar looks like. Number 2 step is type Paint. As I shown you right now, click here to search. So there we need to type the word Paint, P-A-I-N-T, Paint. Then Paint option appears on the start menu. We'll learn in the start menu how the Paint option will looks, or it will appear after typing the word program name Paint. Then the 4th step is click on the Paint and you will get the window like. So dear children, after opening the MS Paint followed by those 4 steps given on page number 46 in your book, you will get the window like this is given again in your book page number 47. I shown you with the arrows of orange and green color, like the parts which this window has, Paint window has: quick access toolbar, ribbon, drawing area. Apart from this we have minimize, maximize and close button, minimize, maximize or restore or close button. Again these are given in your book page number 47. So dear children, about these all different parts of a MS Paint window we will be learning in the next video, in the next class. Till that time you have to read page number 46 and 47 at home of lesson number 5 MS Paint. So I hope dear children today you all have understood and got it. How can we open MS Paint? What is the use of MS Paint program? How to open it and what are the different parts of it, and how the window of MS Paint looks like. Till that time, dear children, stay safe and healthy. Have healthy diet. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and family. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.